Hello everyone, this is Erin MacArthur, your course librarian, and in this video we'll talk about how to find an article for your literature search and PICO question assignment. We'll cover how to get help from a librarian, how to develop search terms based on the elements of a PICO question, how to access CINAHL and search for articles, and how to save articles as PDFs. In part 2, I'll demonstrate how to cite an article in APA 7th edition style. First, if you need help, you can ask a librarian through chat, email, or the Ask the Librarian discussion board in your Canvas course. You can reach out to me directly or use the help resources on the library homepage to get connected with another UWO librarian. Before you start searching for articles, you'll need to develop your search terms. Your first term will be your topic: diabetes, pain, or perioperative care. There may be narrower, alternate, or related terms you can use, like pain management, preoperative care, intraoperative care, postoperative care, or type 1 or type 2 diabetes. In addition to your topic search term, you'll need to add at least one other search term to narrow your results. You can use elements of a PICO question to come up with additional terms. For example, you could choose a term related to population, such as men or women, certain age groups, or ethnicities. Be sure that you're not using pregnant or postpartum women or children as your population group. You might choose a term related to a specific intervention, such as exercise, diet, or alternative or complementary therapies. Or you could choose an outcome-related term, such as anxiety, mortality, or rehospitalization. Remember that you can use narrower, alternate, or related terms for your search terms, including both medical and layman's terms. Start with just a couple of terms and add more as needed to narrow your search. To access CINAHL, start at the library website at library.uwwash.edu and choose CINAHL from the Resources by Name drop-down menu. Enter your search terms in the boxes, one concept per box, and click Search. Next, review your results to make sure they're relevant. If not, try a different search term. If your articles are relevant, next, apply limiters. You need articles published within the last 5 years in scholarly or academic journals. You also need articles that are published in nursing journals. You can add a search term, NURS*, into the third search box and change the drop-down to the right of the search box to publication name. This will limit your results to articles published in journals with nurse, nurses, or nursing in the title. Anytime you change your search terms, you need to check to make sure your limiters are still in place. You will need to make sure that your article is an original, quantitative research study. This means that the authors are reporting on a study that they conducted using a quantitative research methodology, such as randomized controlled trial, cohort study, cross-sectional study, experimental study, and others. Articles that will not work for this assignment are review articles, such as systematic reviews or integrative reviews, and qualitative studies, like focus group studies, semi-structured interview studies, ethnographic studies, and others. You can add a search term with types of quantitative studies to help limit your results to quantitative studies only. To read an article in full text, click on the full text option. You may see "Click here for other access options." This means that this particular article is not available in CINAHL, but may be available in one of our other databases. Clicking this option will cross-check our other resources to see if we have the article elsewhere. If we do, you'll see a link to access full text. If not, you can sign in with your NetID and password to request the article via interlibrary loan. Once you find an article you want to use for your assignment, you'll need to save the PDF to your computer. Look for a download option and be sure to save the file somewhere you can find it later. You can also use the permalink to bookmark an article. Just make sure you don't bookmark the URL at the top of your browser. This is a temporary link that will expire. Make sure to watch the second video in this series, citing your article in APA 7th edition, to learn how to create a correct reference for your article. If you have any questions or need help, please contact me at my email, mcarthue@uwwash.edu, chat with me through the UWO Library section of your course, or post on the Ask the Librarian discussion board in your course.